Hi everyone, this is Sam Create with Heart, and I am back with my sale. So if you want more information, you can find it in the previous video. But basically, it's D-Stash. You need to email me at scoop71@yahoo.com to see if it's available. And we're going to go ahead and get into it because there's going to be, I don't know how many videos. There's going to be maybe 3 or 4 videos. And I'll try to label them so that you know. But let's go ahead and find number 1. Okay. So number 1 is going to be $40, and all the prices have free shipping. So this is what's in here. These are all Cat's pajamas. And we have cookies and cocoa and the flat pins. 2 of them. I go with that one. Yeti to Party. Then we have this one right here. I made some really cute cards with some of these ones. You can go back and see. This one I've never even used. I wanted to keep this one so bad, but I haven't used it this whole time, and I don't know. I have really cute birds already. This one right here, and they have the dies for this one. And then this right here, and includes the sun with the sun die and the die for this. So this is lot number 1, and it is $40. And number 2. All right, so number 2 is $38. And it includes this die right here from Tonic. It includes this die. It includes this whole Dilutions pack. So it's got the elastic bands. It's got the book. It's got some, I don't know what those are, some kind of plastic doohickeys to put things in. And then it's got the cover. So it's a whole pack. And then these dies. And these dies from Spellbinders. It includes this stamp and this stamp, and it also has some dies. And then this one, which was the small die of the month, the Pansy Seed Company, and this one is from April 2026. So it is a new one. So this one is number 2, and it's $38. And let me try to put everything in here so nothing gets okay. And we're on to number 3. Number 3 is $42, and it is all paper tray ink. So I have the Glorious Globe Basics and the die. And then I've got all of these ones. April, which is this one. February, June. This one has a die. November. December doesn't have a die. May. September. This might have a die. Some of them have dies. And August, that one has a die. I think most of them do. And whatever month this is, October. And I have this Gratitude. And I have this one, which is called Friendship Jar Holiday Fillers. This is a really old one. It's Signature Greetings. This is when Dawn McVeigh used to work for the company. So that was her stuff there. And then this one right here, which is called Festive Mugs. And the die. I made a really cute card with these ones. So this is lot number 3, and it's $42. And remember, it's free shipping. So everything in here. Okay, now we're on to number 4. And number 4 is the Julie Netting. It's $45. I believe there's $12 in here. This was like one of the first dolls I ever had. It was my favorite one, but it has to go because, see, the ones that don't have names are the older ones. So like these are older. They don't have names on them. Like this one is Marisol, Tommy. I am going to keep a few of them. Some of the unique ones. I am going to keep a few of them. But I told myself I can keep like 10, but I don't know. I might keep a little bit more than that. I have them all. Kate. Now I'll admit that I'm probably going to keep the ones that all have the dies and any of the holiday-ish ones. And she's got like a Japanese doll I'm going to keep. So I'm going to keep a few of them. But I just have so many. Oh, I love her too, Valentina. And so this one is $45. And remember that it's free shipping. So there are, I believe I counted 12. But it's whatever you see here. Don't quote me on the counting because I had a lot going on. So that's number 4, and it's $45. And then we're on to number 5. And number 5 is $38. And it includes this airplane greetings, this cooler with you, plus the die. This was like part of a kit, and I never even used the kit. I don't even like know where all the pieces are. I took it all apart to use the cardstock in it. I Heart Books. This is an oldie. I did use this one. Spectacular Birthday, and the die. Oh, sorry. That. Which Way is Candy, and the die. This is just Ducky, no die on that one. Here's this one. This was also part of a kit that I never used. I don't even think I used this one at all. It's really cute though. Cool Christmas, and the dies. And the truth is, like, I just don't need as much winter stuff, even though I love it, because there's no real winter in California. Missing You Every Single Day, and the die, plus the little box that you could pop the little guys out of, because I feel like I have a little box somewhere anyways. Maybe I don't know. But anyway, this is number 5, and it's $38. And so that's all I'm going to do, I think, for this video. So just make sure, if you're interested in any of these, to go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, and I'll let you know if it's available. Thank you very much.